How to change email on Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily and quickly change your email associated with Duolingo account. First of all, open up the Duolingo application or the website and sign in with your current email and password. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner from the Duolingo app and tap on Profile. Inside the Profile section, go to the upper right corner and tap on the Gear button. Now select the Profile button from the top, and underneath Profile section, you will see all of these information where you need to go to the Email tab and erase your current email. Write down a new email you would want to change to and click on the tick mark. Right after you do this, you can head back to the home page and you'll then be able to change your email on Duolingo. Now there you have it. That is how you change your email on Duolingo account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.